It's that time of the year once again to switch to fall or autumn decorations. I have here mostly like home decors that we purchased over the years and also some new ones. So we went to Trader Joe's and got some little pumpkins. So like this really cute pumpkin. And then another pumpkin here. And then look at this one. This is the gourd. Another gourd here. And then more gourds here. Look at this. And then this one. They are so very, very cute. We have those, and we also got this. These are pumpkin lanterns from Everright. They are manufacturer of like high quality lighting, and they made this like little pumpkins for Halloween. These are perfect when you are doing trick-or-treating with your kids. Like they can carry this. This is like lightweight. They came neatly packed in these bags yesterday, but Josh was super excited to open it, so it's open already. But this is how it, and then batteries are already included too, so you don't need to get batteries. And then the way it works is you just open it like this and it will light up. Look at that. So cute, right? So this is so perfect when you are doing trick-or-treating. You can just carry this. This one too. And this. Or I can just put this there too, in the console table, or like in the backyard, in the front yard too. You can get like maybe 9 of this as a light on your like walkway. Very pretty for Halloween.
These are really bright and are perfect for Halloween and trick-or-treating. They're like a lantern. They're like jack-o'-lanterns. We got to... Whoa.
I love this one. So this goes in here. This is a Lego Formula 1 car that Josh built. He built this in like 2 hours. He's so like fast building like Legos. So that one goes, so this one goes in here. I always put this here. And we have the owls. We got this from Barcelona, from Montserrat. At Montserrat there is a gift shop where they sell like cutie stuff, and that's where we got these owls. And then this one goes in the outside, by our door outside. Let me put this. And then we have this for the kitchen. So we have the pumpkin pie recipe, and then the fall goodies, and then the apple pie recipe. And then the rest we have like more like pumpkins here. Also, you might like this like crew neck sweatshirt that was sent to me by Amoreto. This is made of like a perfect blend of cotton and polyester, very soft to the touch, and also like very comfortable when it touches like your skin. So this is more of casual. You can pair this with jeans like what I have right now, but for a more like formal stylish look, you can pair this with like a nice pants, like maybe a khaki pants or like a beige pants, or even like a white pants. This will really look great with a white pants. So you could wear this more of casual, like everyday outing, or like more of like a formal wear. You can just dress up with like really nice necklace. So this comes in 6 different colors. This is dark green. They have white, black, beige or khaki. They also have dark blue and what else? Gray, I think. So 6 different colors to choose from. This is so perfect this time of the year when the season is changing and we need to like layer clothes, or we need to wear like a thicker clothes. So this is like a pull-up sweater, so you can wear it like that, and or you can pull it up too when it's not that cold. But when it's cold, you can just like pull this down. This is the front and this is the back. I love it. It's so very, very comfortable. I can wear this outside and also wear this at home while watching TV, for example. These are more of like fake pumpkins. They are not real pumpkins. They are from many years ago. And then we have here, gather here with grateful hearts. And then this is nice. And this, I think this is a red fox. This is a red fox carrying a pumpkin. And then I think we have more stuff in the hobby room. I have to look for them. This is an owl. I'm not sure what this one is. A
porcupine.
There you go. I can't remember, but this is a porcupine. This is an owl. I think we have a squirrel too. So let's switch those decorations to fall. Look at that one. Look at this. This, we painted them in Cabo, Mexico. So Josh did this too. Husband painted this like seahorse. I would like to hang this on the wall, but I'm just a little scared that it might fall and it will break. So I'm just putting this here. Husband did this one too, like the fish. And Josh did this like Froggy. The very funny Froggy with the, look at the lips. Mine, I hang them in the patio. The seahorse is the most beautiful. Like all the color combinations, the dark blue, the light blue, the turquoise, the green, everything is like so perfect. And then so you paint, and then they will like add this like the gold, those like glitters. Later I'll show you how the pumpkin lanterns look when it's dark. So now, this is so cute. The red fox. Oh, there's a cat outside. A stray cat that looks cute. So we have Harvest Farms. This is from Michael's. Harvest Farms, hay rides, apple picking, pumpkin patch, and then corn maze. This is let's put this on the side for now. I have another vase with flowers. I'll get them. And then this. There. I found more stuff in the hobby room. Pumpkins, and then the squirrel. I found the squirrel. This, and then the flowers. And here are the beautiful flowers. I would like to share with you this rag that was sent to me by Nicetown, which I super duper like. It has a geometric pattern which is timeless, and the stitching is this is so very well made. Look at the stitching. It is so durable. It's very soft to the touch. This comes in 4 different colors. This is sage green. They have dry rose, light pink, and stone blue. And this is 2 feet by 3 feet, which is perfect for like doors, like main doors or sliding doors, or you can use this in the bathroom too, or like the kitchen and then the bedroom. This is 0.2 inch thick, which is great as a doormat because you can open and close the door without it being stuck on it. Also, this has an anti-slip. The backing has anti-slip, so it will stay in place. So if you're in the market for a rag or an area rag, this also comes in different sizes. Like I mentioned earlier, this is 2 feet by 3 feet, but I also have area rag. So if you are in the market for any size of rag, please go check them out. They are available at Amazon. The brand name is Nicetown. In terms of cleaning, you can spot clean this with a towel, or you can use a vacuum cleaner. This is not going to shed, and also this is machine washable, which is like sort of the unique feature of this rag. When it gets dirty, you can just put it in the washing machine. Now time to replace this and then this one too. I just can't remember what I did on the other one last time, since this one won't fit. Just changing this into this one. I'll just show you what is shown here for those who are not from the northern hemisphere, who are like celebrating like fall or like autumn season around this time of the year. So like when I was in the Philippines, I didn't know this, like fall stuff. So the fall goodies, these are the ones that are like associated or strongly associated with like fall or autumn season. So you have the apples, like crisp apples, hot cider, kettle corn, hay rides, because when you go to like a pumpkin patch, you have this, like they serve kettle corn, they have hay rides, and football is the start of football season, and pumpkin is like quintessential to like fall. Then autumn leaves, of course, the leaves are changing colors, although here in Los Angeles we are like leaves change colors like really late in the season. And then bonfires, and then you have this beautiful like fall stuff, and then blankets, of course, and warm sweaters since it's getting like colder, the season is changing. And then pie. So for the pie, we have the pies that are synonymous to like fall or autumn are pumpkin pies and apple pies. So these are the fruits that are like really more of like quintessential to fall: pumpkins and apples. So I'll put this back again after New Year, because then we have like Christmas after like this Thanksgiving. We are changing decorations for like Christmas. So which one should I do? Apple pie or pumpkin pie? Maybe pumpkin pie. Fall is the season when the pumpkins take the stage. Now moving on to our pumpkins. We have pumpkins for our dining table. Here, let's use the real pumpkins that we got from Angkors, that we got from like Trader Joe's. I'll probably get more. I want the ones with more like kind of like orange. Josh likes this one. This, and then this one on top. So these are real pumpkins. I'll just keep most of this for now, and then just except for this, these are from Barcelona too. This is, I think, these are very cute. One is peeping, the other one is doing number 2. It's just like some touches of like fall.